big cube. And if you've been watching my videos, you would know we have been waiting for this package for a very long time. So let's hop right into it. Enjoy the video. Okay, so we got the Moyu Weilong WR M. This is the light version. And the cube we have been waiting for a very long time. The Moyu Super RS3M. And this is the ball core version, so I am very curious what this is gonna be like. We're starting big. We're opening the world's largest Rubik's Cube. Wait a second, that's a 3x3. Let me fix that quick. There we go, perfect. Just to put this in perspective, one piece is the size of a normal 3x3. Okay, now this is weird. The turning is actually pretty good, except for when it locks up, and sometimes the pieces will catch too, which isn't the best. Now I'm assuming this cube is able to adjust. Yep, there's a screw in there, so you can adjust it. Overall, this cube is really cool, and probably the main purpose of it is just display. And from a further perspective, it looks really nice, like you can see right here. It will literally make anything in your room look 1,000 times better. Okay, now it's time for the WRM. So, we got the accessories box. Pretty much everyone knows what's in here, so we'll get rid of that. The cube. Okay, this looks really nice. Finally, after a lot of hard work, we finally have it. It is very dry, but the turning, it's actually pretty good. It's actually a really good speed. I like it a lot. Corner cutting is pretty good. Yeah, I can do just a 45, no further. If you adjust the settings and stuff, it would be really nice. Under the center cap, it's the same as most Moyu cubes. It also has adjustable magnets, and it's currently at its strongest setting. Taking a look in the accessories box, here we found the tools to adjust the magnets. How nice of Moyu to send me an extra screwdriver. I'm gonna get great use out of it. Now the time has come to see if this cube is really as good as I predicted. The cube, nice blue logo, I like that. Then just an accessories box, now the cube. Let's try this out. It has a really nice texture. The magnets don't feel very strong. It's dry, really dry right now. See what's under the cap. Okay, just that. I really like the blue logo though. I have these cubes set up, and I've done a few solves on them. So now I'm going to give you guys my final review on these two cubes. The WRM has more of a blocky feel, but it also has stronger magnets, but the Super RS3M, it has more of a rounded feel, and it also has better corner cutting. They're about the same speed, and overall, these are great budget cubes. So I am going to rate them a 7.2 out of 10. They are both fast cubes, and I would recommend these to people that like faster cubes. But a cube that would fit anybody's speed is the Weilong GTS3M. And this cube is very distinguishable because of the ridges along the edges. And in general, this is just a great cube. We got the big Rubik's Cube, 3x3 right here. A very nice decorative piece you can lay on your desk to make it look nicer. It also is functional. Very nice. I would recommend getting it. I guess that's all I have for you guys today, but thank you for watching.